There's so many different ways that I've been personally impacted by my participation in the TLA. It didn't take long for starting the TLA to already start to feel some of those things. We have had so many great discussions in class time. We've had so many great readings that we've had great discussions about. One of the biggest things I think is just the way that you can reflect back on things that you've done as a teacher throughout your career, the good and the bad. There are so many different things that you wish you could go back and do differently. And I think had I not been in the TLA, I don't know that I would have had the same thought process about that reflection. Thinking back on it prior to the TLA, I don't know that I would have been as critical of myself, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but I just think that the TLA has given me a lot of tools to be able to reflect on what I've done and make changes for the positive. Talking about relationships with other staff members has been super impactful, I think, on our entire staff. Learning about each other as far as our personalities. In the reading, it talked about the push and the pulling of your peers. You know now things that you can do, ways that you can push them and pull them, but you're supporting them at the same time. I think that we have to push ourselves as well as everybody else. I think that being in the TLA, we've gotten a lot of, myself personally, I've gotten a lot of confidence in being able to push myself and kind of take those first steps to try something that before I maybe wouldn't have done. And now it's like almost like I can't wait to try something new. And I have a renewed energy just for the whole profession of teaching, and really not afraid to try anything. I say that because I think it's happening so much through our whole staff, not just myself, but there's so many of us that are going out and trying new things and different things that maybe we would have been afraid of before, afraid to work with our other peers that we maybe didn't know as well. And this has just given us a great opportunity to do those things. I guess the last piece is that the connecting to the students part in the reading and also with the TLA. Anything you do, yes, it's a lot of work, learning new things and trying new things and investing in your school. But the whole time you're doing it because you know what a great place you're in and you know what great staff members you have, and you just have this energy and a passion to do it because you know that it's worth it, because you know that you're not in it alone.